Hey everyone, welcome back to Top Trends, your go-to spot for the best tech and gadget deals on the internet. Today, we're diving into the top 7 best drones on Aliexpress, from budget-friendly flyers to feature-packed aerial beasts that won't break the bank. Whether you're a beginner or a drone enthusiast, there's something in here for you. Introducing the S128 Mini Drone, the compact, feature-packed drone that brings professional-grade performance to your fingertips. Meet the S128 Mini Drone, small in size but big on features. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this mini drone is your perfect companion for capturing life's adventures. Equipped with a 4K HD camera, this mini drone delivers stunning photos and videos. Capture every moment in crystal clear detail, from scenic landscapes to action-packed fun. With 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, this mini drone intelligently detects and avoids obstacles, ensuring smooth and safe flights every time. Fly with confidence, indoors or outdoors. Thanks to its fixed height feature, this mini drone maintains a steady altitude, making it perfect for capturing group photos, scenic shots, or even recording your outdoor adventures. Take full control with the intuitive remote, offering seamless operation and real-time HD transmission. Whether you're flying indoors or outdoors, this mini drone is always ready for action. Perfect for kids, beginners, and drone enthusiasts, the S128 Mini Drone is more than just a toy. It's a gateway to creativity, exploration, and endless fun. This drone has 3.3 rating on AliExpress, so that we recommend this drone to you. Small, smart, and packed with features, the S128 Mini Drone is your ticket to big adventures. Capture the world from above and make every moment unforgettable. Get your S128 Mini Drone today and start exploring the world from a whole new perspective. Introducing the Xiaomi P18 Drone, where cutting-edge technology meets unparalleled performance. Whether you're a professional or a hobbyist, this drone is designed to take your aerial adventures to the next level. Powered by brushless motors, the Xiaomi P18 delivers superior efficiency, reduced noise, and extended durability. Enjoy smoother flights and longer-lasting performance, even in challenging conditions. With its 8K 5G HD camera, the Xiaomi P18 captures every detail in breathtaking clarity. From sweeping landscapes to fast-paced action, your footage will stand out with professional-grade quality. Equipped with optical flow positioning, the Xiaomi P18 ensures precise hovering and stability, even indoors or in GPS-denied environments. Perfect for capturing those intricate, close-up shots. Navigate with confidence thanks to its advanced obstacle avoidance system. The Xiaomi P18 intelligently detects and avoids obstacles, ensuring safe and seamless flights every time. Take full control with the intuitive remote and enjoy real-time footage streaming. The Xiaomi P18 connects effortlessly to your smartphone, giving you a first-person view of your flight. This drone has 4.5 rating and 180+ unit sales on AliExpress, so that we recommend this drone to you. From vibrant cityscapes to serene natural wonders, the Xiaomi P18 drone empowers you to capture the world from new perspectives. Its triple camera system offers unmatched versatility, allowing you to switch between wide-angle, zoom, and macro lenses for every shot. Xiaomi P18 Drone, innovate, capture, inspire. Introducing the E99 Pro Drone, the ultimate quadcopter for stunning aerial photography and endless fun. With its HD 6K camera, the E99 Pro captures every moment in breathtaking detail. Whether you're filming scenic landscapes or snapping photos of your favorite memories, this drone delivers professional quality results every time. The 4-axis stability system ensures smooth and steady flights, even in windy conditions. And with the easy-to-use remote control handle, flying the E99 Pro is a breeze, perfect for beginners and experts alike. Thanks to its altitude fixation technology, the E99 Pro maintains a stable hover, allowing you to capture the perfect shot without any shaky movements. It's like having a professional cinematographer in the palm of your hand. Looking for some excitement? The E99 Pro isn't just for photography, it's also a thrilling toy. With features like one-key takeoff and landing, 360 degrees flips, and headless mode, this drone is perfect for kids and adults who love adventure. Whether you're exploring the great outdoors or spending quality time with family, the E99 Pro Drone is your perfect companion. It's lightweight, portable, and packed with features that make every flight unforgettable. This drone has 4.1 rating and 10,000+ unit sales on AliExpress, so that we recommend this drone to you. Ready to see the world from a whole new perspective? The E99 Pro Drone, where stunning 6K photography meets endless fun. Introducing the Xiaomi Mijia GT5 Drone, the ultimate tool for capturing the world in stunning 8K detail. Designed for professionals and enthusiasts alike, this drone combines power, precision, and innovation to elevate your aerial photography. Featuring a professional 8K HD camera, the Mijia GT5 delivers breathtaking clarity and detail in every shot. Whether you're filming landscapes, action scenes, or close-ups, your footage will stand out with cinematic quality. With its advanced dual-camera obstacle avoidance system, the Mijia GT5 ensures safe and smooth flights, even in complex environments. Fly with confidence, knowing your drone is protected from collisions. Take full control with the intuitive remote and enjoy real-time footage streaming. The Mijia GT5 connects seamlessly to your smartphone, giving you a first-person view of your flight. Powered by a massive 2,200 mAh battery, the Mijia GT5 offers extended flight times, allowing you to focus on capturing the perfect shot without interruptions. This drone has 4.4 rating and 1,000 plus unit sales on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this drone to you. From breathtaking landscapes to dynamic action shots, the Xiaomi Mijia GT5 drone is your ultimate tool for creativity. Whether you're a professional filmmaker or a hobbyist, this drone empowers you to tell your story like never before. Xiaomi Mijia GT5 drone, master the skies. Capture the world in 8K. Introducing the drone E88 Pro, your gateway to breathtaking aerial photography and endless fun. Meet the drone E88 Pro, a high-performance quadcopter designed for both beginners and enthusiasts. With its 4K Ultra HD dual camera, every shot is a masterpiece. Whether you're filming scenic landscapes or capturing family moments, the E88 Pro delivers crystal-clear, professional-quality footage. Equipped with real-time FPV, first-person view, you can see exactly what the drone sees, right on your smartphone. The intuitive remote control makes flying easy, even for kids. Plus, with its quad-axis stability system, it ensures smooth and steady flights, even in windy conditions. Looking for some fun? This isn't just for photography, it's also the perfect toy for kids and adults alike. With features like one-key takeoff and landing, 360 degrees flips, and headless mode, flying has never been this exciting or effortless. Whether you're exploring the great outdoors or spending quality time with family, the drone is your perfect companion. It's lightweight, portable, and packed with features that make every flight unforgettable. From stunning sunsets to action-packed adventures, the drone E88 Pro lets you see the world from a whole new perspective. It's not just a drone, it's your ticket to endless exploration and creativity. This drone has 5 rating on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this drone to you. Ready to take flight? Discover the drone E88 Pro today and elevate your adventures to new heights. Drone E88 Pro, high-definition 4K dual camera. Introducing the Lenovo KY102 drone. Experience the future of aerial photography, where innovation meets precision. Designed for professionals and enthusiasts alike, this drone is your ultimate tool for capturing the world in stunning detail. Equipped with an 8K professional dual camera system, the KY102 delivers unparalleled image quality. Whether you're filming cinematic landscapes or snapping high-resolution photos, every detail is captured with breathtaking clarity. With 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, the KY102 intelligently detects and avoids obstacles in all directions, ensuring smooth and safe flights even in challenging environments. Explore with confidence, knowing your drone is always in control. The 4-axis stability system and optical flow positioning work together to keep the drone steady and precise, even in windy conditions. And with the advanced RC10000M remote control, you'll enjoy seamless connectivity and extended range for uninterrupted flights. Whether you're a professional filmmaker or an adventure seeker, the KY102 is packed with features to elevate your creativity. From one-key takeoff and landing to intelligent flight modes, this drone is designed to make every flight effortless and exhilarating. Perfect for capturing life's most memorable moments, the Lenovo KY102 drone is more than just a tool, it's your partner in exploration and storytelling. This drone has 3.3 rating on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this drone to you. Push the boundaries of what's possible. The Lenovo KY102 drone, where professional performance meets limitless possibilities. Introducing the LU200 Pro Drone, the future of aerial photography and videography. Designed for professionals and enthusiasts alike, this drone redefines what's possible in the skies. Equipped with an advanced 8K GPS professional camera, the LU200 Pro delivers crystal-clear, ultra-high-definition footage. Whether you're capturing sweeping landscapes or fast-paced action, every detail is preserved in stunning clarity. With its triple-camera obstacle avoidance system, the LU200 Pro ensures safe and smooth flights, even in the most challenging environments. Fly with confidence, knowing your drone is protected from collisions. Experience real-time flying with Wi-Fi FPV, first-person view. Stream live footage directly to your smartphone and immerse yourself in the action like never before. The LU200 Pro's triple camera setup offers unparalleled versatility. Switch between wide-angle, zoom, and macro lenses to capture every shot exactly how you envision it. With an impressive 10,000 mAh battery, the LU200 Pro provides extended flight times, allowing you to focus on capturing the perfect shot without interruptions. This drone has 3.7 rating on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this drone to you. From breathtaking landscapes to dynamic action shots, the LU200 Pro Drone is your ultimate tool for creativity. Whether you're a professional filmmaker or a hobbyist, this drone empowers you to tell your story like never before. LU200 Pro Drone, elevate your vision. Capture the world in 8K. Guys, that is all I had for today. If you have not seen these videos, I suggest you watch them. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up.